Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install analysis service in Visual Studio 2026. So opening the Visual Studio 2026. So Microsoft Visual Studio 2026, open or create any project. So opening the project there. Now here you can see extension tab. Let's click on this manage extension. On this search box, write there analysis. Analysis. Now this is searching there. Now here you can see Microsoft Analysis Service Project. That's for 2022 plus. So simply you need to click on this install button. And now here you can see this is now currently downloading. And this here you can see this come from Microsoft Corporation, and this is free to use, and this number of download that has done. Now let's see the status. Now you can see this download that has done. So first I'm going to close this Visual Studio, and thereafter now opening this file, click on this open file of analysis service. Close this one also. VSIX installer, this is currently initializing. IX installer install. So you can, in my system, Visual Studio Enterprise is there and Enterprise 2026. So they're going to select this option Visual Studio Enterprise 2026. Now thereafter, let's click on this install. So this is now installing Microsoft Analysis Service project and modifying this Visual Studio 2026. Now you can say install complete Microsoft Analysis Service project that's installed successfully. Let's click on this close. Now thereafter, let's open the Visual Studio, and thereafter let's click on this create a new project. Here I'm going to search analysis. Analysis. Here you have this option. Let's select here analysis service multidimensional project. You can select any. Click on this next. Here giving the name employees, tabs, and let's click on this create. This here. Now you can see data source view. Let's go on this new data source. Selecting this next. So exiting, you can select here, you can use new. Okay, here you can select this option. So if I go on this SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. So this is now currently loading. See this local host directly. Let's click on this connect. And now you can see database. Adam is the database. These tables are there. The next is so that here going to select Microsoft SQL, and let's give here localhost and trust optional. Let's click on this drop down Adam. Now click on this OK. This done here. Next, let's click on this inherit and finish. So one data source that's come here. Now let's click on this data source view. New. here. So already have Adam, not going to create once again. Let's click on this next. Here you can take the tables. Let's select this all. Or if you don't want this all, you can select this one by one manually. So this selecting HR, this all. Let's click this. Oh God, not this one. Again trying this. Countries, this I need this employees sales grade. And let's click on this option. After that, here you can see Adam. That's fine. Let's click this. Data source, we double click on this. Here you can see. Now you can easily analyze this EMT, DPT, the two that connected. This employees that's connected with the department, job history, and jobs. Okay, and this is how we can analyze this countries that's connected with the local with the help of primary and foreign key. After that, you can do many operation according to your requirements. And now this is how we can install analysis service in Visual Studio 2026. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.